Say, Mommy, don't take a picture because I have hair on my face. Okay. What kind of look is that? That's a, are you a boy or girl face? Yeah. That's what I'm thinking right now.
I recorded that. That was funny.
Yeah, that was funny, huh? That's what you're thinking, isn't it? Yes. The Ampy, are you a girl or a boy? Because I really can't tell right now.
Ouch.
What's going on here? What are you doing? It's like, I'm not smiling. I'm not smiling. There got my mommy's dimples. Hug you.
Test time.
What is either he's really comfortable or he just doesn't want to go. Where you want to go? Party? Rave? Yeah.